Hey guys, First Productions here with you today. The reason why we're doing this is because basically the original Railfanning at Horseshoe Curve video, which I did almost a year ago, was just a test to see how Bandicam worked on this setup of mine. Um, it didn't age very well. It was really laggy, very crappy. So here we're going to give you a actually good version. Enjoy. Oh yes, the Horseshoe Curve, still one of the most famous sections of mainline in the United States. Every day, hundreds of trains come through here, whether that be a latch-up of GMOs on an intermodal, or the odd Amtrak train every now and again. But today, we're going to take a trip back in time, back to when the curve still had 4 tracks, steam had free reign over the curve, and the diesel locomotive was just starting to make a name for itself. I'm your host, Fred Thurman. Let's get to it. Our first catch of the day is a G5 10-wheeler on its way to Johnstown, PA with the commuter service. Next up, we have a latch-up with not one, not two, but 3 GP9s on a coal drag bound for, I forgot. The sun has risen up a little bit further now. We got a J1, one of the Pennsylvania Railroad's J1 Texas types, built in the Altoona Locomotive Works in 1941, slogging up the gradient on a manifest. It's around lunchtime now. We got the magnum opus of the Pennsylvania Railroad's Juniata shops, the K4 Pacific, double heading with a G5 10-wheeler on a express passenger train. Activity on the curve has calmed down a bit. We got a latch-up with 2 SW1s and 1 GP7 on a manifest. It's not every day you see that. Well, that's all for today, folks. We hope you all enjoyed this rail fanning session at the heart of Altoona, Pennsylvania. But before we go, consider the following.